8 ways to store, organize, and display jewelry. A fun ring dish is a great little decor piece that also serves as a convenient spot to store your rings. Plus, if you like to craft, you can easily make a ring dish out of clay in any shape, style, and colors you want. This cute DIY cactus ring holder and catch-all dish is an ideal way to keep many rings in one place. Driftwood looks great with many types of decor, including farmhouse-style homes and Scandinavian-inspired homes. That makes driftwood a versatile material for a hanging jewelry organizer. Pipes are a great material from which to create an industrial-style jewelry organizer. And their sturdiness makes them especially ideal for hanging chunky necklaces and bracelets. Plus, pipes are fairly inexpensive and come in many sizes and varieties, so you're bound to find something that fits your needs. Want to quickly and easily add a little character to your home? The next time you're at a flea market or antique store, keep an eye out for small vintage boxes. The more intricate the advertising, the better the treasure. Then, transform the box into a unique wooden ring display. Some jewelry storage solutions are so elaborate that they can take away from the aesthetic appeal of the jewelry itself. So if you want your jewelry to be the star of the show on your jewelry display, make sure the display is as simple as possible. If you take off your rings temporarily around your house, such as when you're washing the dishes or taking a shower, it can be helpful to have small, unobtrusive ring cones sitting in those spots. Plus, if your ring collection is fairly small, a few of these cones might be all it takes to store your rings in a stylish and accessible manner. For jewelry you wear often, a tiered jewelry dish can be a good option as a beautiful display that keeps the pieces at your fingertips. One major perk of a dish is you don't have to fuss with hanging your jewelry. Just toss it on the dish, and it will still look intentionally organized. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.